Hello, I'm Fumi Ogunjo and this is the Sound of Afrobeats WIZKID TV special.
What up? This okay. This okay. Come on. I'ma get that sort. Telling me what I know. I've traveled all over the world to chill. I've never seen a girl like this before. They killing me slow. And they dance they do too sweet. Gonna go to
Welcome ladies and gentlemen to the WIZKID TV special. Now last week was our first show and the response was amazing. All the WIZKID fans are tuned into the show and are loving the show, and because of that we promise that each week we're going to give you bigger, better and more exclusive stuff. So today's show we're looking at WIZKID the Superstar. Now WIZKID released his first album last year named Superstar, and to mark this glorious occasion he had a really big launch party in Lagos, Nigeria. Now the house was full, like WIZKID fans were all there, they went all out, and stars and celebs also came to support and show some love to Wiz. Now we were there and we were backstage, so we're going to take a look now at the whole build up to this big launch party, and we're going to have a word with some celebs that we found backstage at the WIZKID launch party. See you when you get back.
Superstar. It's all about the superstar today. Ladies and gentlemen, I go by the name of Banky W, aka Uncle Banky, aka Mr. Capable, Mr. Strong Ting, the king of the Lagos party. This is Sam Clef Nonni. Don't forget the Nonni. This is WIZKID's album launch, Superstar. It's going down tonight. A star is born. It's kind of biblical. A star is born. Superstardom, Planet Jonesing World. Holla at your boy. Tease me. All of that. You know what it is.
Uncle Banky Nonni. That's his Uncle Banky. Watch out. And you see me Nonni. It's your boy Sam Clef Nonni. Mr. Nonni Liza, to one Nonni Gifted, to one Nonni Lifted, to one Nonni Licious. And tonight is the night where I'm so happy I'm part of this project. You know, I produce Dondo, WIZKID and some of the tracks in the album, you know.
We've been together, girl, I showed you love. You chose to promise me forever. I know go lie, I know be the type to scope you. I don't give you my heart, baby girl, I will love you. I think I met you before, girl. You light up my world, girl. You must be a superstar. I wanna know who you are. I wanna be where you are, where you are, where you are. The girls that love me, why me? Baby, I swear that you they eye me. Forgot the girls that just to try me. Baby, I swear that you they eye me. It's true, the girls that love me, why me? Baby, I swear that you they eye me. Forgot the girls that just to try me. Baby, I swear that you they eye me. Say that you they eye me. Say that you they eye me. Say that you they eye me. Baby, that you they eye me. Say that you they eye me.
Welcome back. Now my ladies, I know you enjoyed that part, especially the part where WIZKID was whining on the stage, right? Now I've got a question for WIZKID fans out there. Who was interested in signing WIZKID before Banky W? Some clues for you. He's short, he's a rapper, name begins with M, ends with an I. Still don't know? Find out right now.
Right now, this guy I'm about to introduce to you, this guy happens to be one of Nigeria's finest. This guy came into Nigeria and actually evolved like the rap game to the next level. I'm so privileged that I'm seen by this lyricist. This guy is like the tightest lyricist I've ever met. And WIZKID is going to be coming. I'm so happy that he allowed WIZKID because he's the king of the pack. Yeah? This guy, the chairman, he was the one that signed it off. You know what, take WIZKID. That's why he take Ice Prince.
Wait, I tell you now, really, let me tell you guys something. WIZKID wanted to sign for Chocolate City.
Serious?
I promise. And he just did it at the time because we had Ice Prince and Jesse. It didn't really fit. But when Banky was looking for artists, I was like, yo, sign WIZKID. And no be lie.
Now, breaking news. MI was the one that advised Banky to sign WIZKID.
Welcome back, guys. Now, don't laugh at my jacket. Safety comes first before fashion. So, WIZKID has been so busy after his album launch. He's been in the studio working on new songs, new collaborations, new projects. Now he's going to take us in the studio to listen to some of the songs he's been working on. He's actually been working on a song called London Girls, which he dedicates to us London girls. How amazing is that? So yeah, this is WIZKID in the studio right here. You can only see this on this show.
Actually 5 minutes with me in the studio. I'm gonna play you a couple of tracks, exclusive tracks, so you'll listen. But no, I actually have a song called London Girl. I think that's actually the best song for this right now. So I'm gonna play a song called London Girl, WIZKID. It's for my London girls. Hope you guys like it. Wine for me, girl.
Rewind and wine slow for me, girl. Your skin so sweet, you look so sweet. My eyes on you, my sexy lady. The way you wine driving me crazy. I wanna know you and where you from. She say she's from London town. I love the way you wine that. Please don't stop, yeah, I love that. She say that she don't feel like that. Then I'm friends with Tiny and she sing my show. She loves my song, she loves the way I jam it. She say whenever my tunes go out, she rock it. She say I'm dumb, she say I make her wiggle. Now I'm obsessed and I get
See the way you move, too cool. I love my London girl.
She says she likes the guy that can stand with style.
Ladies, I love my London girl.
She says she loves to party and look nice all the time.
I love my London girl.
She loves the original bad man.
Yeah, I love my London girl.
The way you move, too cool.
I love my London girl.
She likes the guy that can stand with style. I love my London girl. She says she loves to party and look nice all the time. I love my London girl.
Big up all the beautiful ladies in London. This is actually a special song for you guys.
Skillo, are you sure this is the place? Man, Wiz, I don't know, but this is the address the agent sent.
From Monday to Sunday, you should know.
Deji, Baba, o sure pé bíbá yìí ni wọ́n ti fẹ́ ṣe party yẹn?
Na the place, Baba. Baba, na the place.
This place?
Na the place, man.
Okay, no problem. Já bọ́lẹ̀ ń gbà yẹn.
Báyìí mo ti fẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ báyìí.
My name is Scales, and I'm here with WIZKID for the show.
Hey, Manny.
Yeah.
Daniel.
I was supposed to be
Let's supposed to be sitting there proof. Talk about Ben with song. One big pasota follow it. Come out perform party me.
I got a call from you.
Ibo Pogoe. Sorry, we're going to get out on sale. Don't know, please. Sorry, was it you love more alone? I want to go on there. Oh, yes, that party.
Don't know WIZKID.
WIZKID?
Yes.
WIZKID?
Yes, man.
There's a about WIZKID. Oh, yeah, go on. Sorry, blue. Sorry. Oh, yeah, go on. Sorry. In your way, yeah. Yeah. Na. Yeah. The way she move just makes me wanna take her home. The way she carry that bag, they make me want. They carry this girl in the go. And I love her and I like her and I wanna take her home. So we go dance and we go jolly and we go party like 99. Oh, she baby no shandy. I want you to be my honey. I want you to be my lady. Come make me dance with the spray of money. She be some cliff shandy. I do easy no shandy. Dance to the beat, no the slap my baby. Coco below my lady. Oh yeah, funke. Bakuruma, kojo dada. Alima, bakuruma, kojo dada. Dolari, bakuruma, kojo dada. Folake, bakuruma, kojo dada. Funke, bakuruma, kojo dada. Alima, bakuruma, kojo dada. Dolari, bakuruma, kojo dada. Folake, bakuruma, kojo dada. Money ni modeji. Baba ni oni lo ma mu ọ̀la lo ma mu ma ṣe fòyà. Oh, money ni modeji. Baba ni oni lo ma mu ọ̀la lo ma mu ma ṣe fòyà. Ijó ń bẹ lẹ́sẹ̀ rẹ o baby. Ìwọ ṣá máa jó láì fẹsẹ̀ kọ́ baby. Ijó ń bẹ lẹ́sẹ̀ rẹ o baby. Ìwọ ṣá máa jó láì fẹsẹ̀ kọ́ baby. The way you why you go my. I love the way you why, girl you go my. The way you why you go my. I love the way you why, girl you go my. She baby no shandy. I want you to be my honey. I want you to be my lady. Come make me dance with the spray of money. She be some cliff shandy. I do easy no shandy. Dance to the beat, no the slap my baby. Coco below my lady. Oh yeah, funke. Bakuruma, kojo dada. Alima, bakuruma, kojo dada. Dolari, bakuruma, kojo dada. Folake, bakuruma, kojo dada. Funke, bakuruma, kojo dada. Alima, bakuruma, kojo dada. Dolari, bakuruma, kojo dada. Folake, bakuruma, kojo dada. Alhaji M.O. Balogun Akiyo, ẹ̀nà mi lówó, gómìnà mi Fáṣọlá, bàbá Àríyó, ẹ̀nà mi lówó, Mrs. J.M. Balogun, Moriyo, ẹ̀nà mi lówó, Mr. Wellington, Akiyo, ẹ̀nà mi lówó, spread me the money.
That was WIZKID's video for Pakuruma, one of my favorite songs from the album, and the video is so much fun too. It's got so much people in it. So this week we're looking at another collaboration video. I said we'll be doing this each and every week. Now this week's video is Bracket featuring WIZKID Girl. Now this video is doing amazing on YouTube, almost at 2 million hits.
It's Wiz and Bracket to love. I've been thinking of you, girl, but you put me for cruise, girl. You take me for fool, girl. Just because I say I love you, you gon' try to play my love, yeah. Chai, okay, Nidi, I'm on the Anyigati, Makana, if you need in the melody, Osim Novi, Chai, okay, Nidi, I'm on the Anyigati, Makana, if you need in the melody, Osim Novi. I don't try, to give you my love, to give you a hug, cause you they make me fall in love. You are the finest, see the girl I go use for my DP. I go make it #1, ask WIZKID, he knows what I'm saying. I'm okay, don't play me, don't try me, even if you don't like me, just love me one thing. Biko alapu kwanamu, nde arapu tanamu, ifeni ni cholo, mgenyeke ya nuju. Bracket delay, you. you come, they use me play tinko. Shana because I say I need you. Now why you no one follow me go? You come they whine me like moto. Go to film me, they go to your photo. You they tell me that guy now your uncle. Why they lie? You just want do you do? Oh yeah, bossy banga kajo. Oh yeah, your dear bumbo kojo. Oh yeah, jo for me my lady. Oh yeah, come on let my jolo. Money your bossy banga kajo. Oh yeah, your dear bumbo kojo. Oh yeah, jo for me my baby. Oh yeah, come on let my jolo. Girl, boy they put me for cruise. Girl, you they take me for fool. Girl, just because I say I love you, you gon' try to play my love. Yeah,
Ogenidi, ne, amamna anyigadi, makana ifenide ne meregi, osim novi. Ogenidi, ne, amamna anyigadi, makana ifenide ne meregi, osim novi.
Adama, Ogenidi, gini come game me kanyinadi. Make we day like bread and butter, cause I know we'll be together. You they make me higher, one more girl you hot like fire. Ne, I no go retire.
Hey, Biko ala pukwanamu, nde ara putanamu. Ifeni ni cholo, mgenyeki anuju.
I've been thinking of you, girl. Why you they put me for cruise, girl? You they take me for fool, girl. Just because I say I love you, you gon' try to play my love, yeah.
Ogenidi, ne, amamna anyigadi, makana ifenide ne meregi, osim novi. Ogenidi, ne, amamna anyigadi, makana ifenide ne meregi, osim novi. Mastercraft on the beat.
So that was Bracket featuring WIZKID in the video for Girl. Now that was shot in South Africa. Fantastic video, right? Now we are going into my favorite part of the show. This is the part where we see WIZKID on stage doing his thing, making the ladies go gaga. You know how he does. Yeah, we are actually at the Afrobeats festival and we're gonna go backstage, check out WIZKID at soundcheck and chilling with his friends, you know, and I'll see you right back here.
Who is your favorite artist and who are you looking forward to dance?
You ain't too fast, please slow down. You got me so confused. You got me in the mood. You got a boy feeling rude, yeah. The way see what you wanna do. Yeah, what you wanna do? See, said it's Weezy, baby. Rapping in easy, baby. I'm feeling cold tonight. I'm gonna go out and have some fun tonight. Call up my boys, girls, and say my man Banky. Let's go chill and party. It's my no worries. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, get me in the building. I wanna dance all night long. I don't care what you're feeling. I don't care what they say. It's my no worries. What you wanna do? I wanna celebrate. Yeah, I wanna jubilate. Yeah, I wanna celebrate. What you wanna do tonight? I wanna jubilate. What you wanna do tonight?
I wanna celebrate.
Salute to all the big boys, you know what I'm saying?
Big boys, you know, all big boys. But wait, what do you call the girls and big boys? What do you call the girls? What do you call the girls and big boys?
Big boys and girls.
WIZKID! you guys? Let's go! Let's go, stop! Let's sing your theme song! Yes, it's Big D! Yes, it's that house, baby! Let's go! Hey! When you see me coming around, I got you looking at me. I'm gonna do this right, let's go! Come and swag now! Walk! Come and swag now! You can't deny! You feel it, huh? Yes! You be alright! 1, 2, 3, say no me for! Let me tell you! Oh, you know me for nothing! You should feel so good! No need for fronting! Oh, yeah, let me tell you something! No need for nothing! You should feel so good! Bring yourself! If you see me that far, I want you more! I got my swag! I want you more! I got my body! I want you more! And we body! I want you more! See me that body! I got my swag! I got my body! And I'm feeling we body! I want you more! Yeah! You got me thinking there's many things I could do to you. Yeah! You got me wishing that you would be. Let's take one step at a time. 2 by 1, be my girl. Shoot I roll, flesh and fly. Don't deny it. 1, 2, 3, go say, don't give up.
And now we've come to the sad part of the show where we have to say goodbye until next week. But next week we have a crazy show. We have an Azonto dancing competition next week. You don't want to miss that next week. Same time, same station. Until then, holla at your girl.
Telling me what I know, I've traveled all over the world to chill. I've never seen a girl like this before.
This is the sound of Afrobeats TV, and I didn't say my name.
Gonna go Tobado, sexy lady Tobado.
Now, WIZKID launched these looks. It's a lot to get through, you know.
See, yeah, which kind of dance yeah, you did do?
Answers right here.
Then
you walk off, jeez. Oh, sorry.
You they make me mad, oh. Say this kind of
until the same time next week. Until the same time next week. That's not we.
Say this kind of dance they do them.
So that was Pakuruma, one of WIZKID's. Sorry.
WIZKID's films.
Kejijo, Kejijo, baby dance yo, Kejijo, Kejijo. Oh yeah, dance.
And I don't drive a car, I drive a boat. So far. I drive this orange thing. It gets me from A to B. This orange color is in this season. So yeah, this is my ride, man.
Mommy say I go chop banku with the way you do your sexy wine. Why I no go chop banku?